case, and they blame me. Mama said I didn't do it, you can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up and handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you wanna, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation is exactly what you will get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you get no reply. You obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crash dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me. No BF in July. So much trouble in the industry. Hip-hop police are listening. Be careful or you'll be history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder. It's murder. Yeah, it's murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.
I used to have a little bit of a plan. Used to have a concept of where I stand. That concept slipped right out of my hand. Now I don't really even know who I am. Yo, what do I have to say? Maybe I should do what I have to do to break free. And whatever happens to you, we'll see. But it's not gonna happen with me. I guess this is where it comes. You don't want to. You have to believe. I won't leave it when it comes. Come in love with me, I feel it all around me. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. It's my destiny. Let's go for so long. I'll still be holding on. I'm gonna keep on going. I'll be strong. Anything is predictable. I won't let nobody break me down. Everything is predictable. Nothing's gonna stop me now. I'm ready for whatever.
其实，在后台最好笑是看他们把拉炮转不开，然后他们转过来，然后看着我，然后结果他依然是没有爆炸，这个最好笑的，是不会使用是不是？来，我示范一次好不好？其实我也很怕。好了，飞了我们怎么扫？好，这可尴尬了。好啦，这样他们可以多曝光一下。哎，妈妈进去凶嘛，对吧？在家这群可能没有在打扫的哦，然后难得看到打扫，妈妈应该流下感动的眼泪，有没有？喝啦，乖啦，好啦。啊，如果妈妈现在是大概40岁左右的，就会看到这个以前哦，10几年前、20年前也有这样的传走，对不对？现在都流行那个街头复古风。好了，你们有什么话要说？没有话要说，是不是？要不要介绍一下谁？还是谁的妈妈有来？你姐姐有来哦。来，姐姐在哪里？挥一下手。姐姐，小米的姐姐在哪里？有看到收到就在那里。好了，爸妈很忙，派姐姐来会一下啊，练习一下嘛，以后说不定可以去选里长，对不对？谢谢了。哦，补充哦，就是圣公女中哦，感觉就是学校很严谨的嘛，但是这群小孩子他们平常会花很多时间跳。好，接下来。